This video I show you how to fix Messenger notification not showing on home screen. For fixing this problem, first of all check that your Messenger is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store. Now search for Messenger. Now click on Messenger. Now up to date your Messenger. Then go to Settings. Then go to Apps. Then go to See All Apps. Now search Messenger. Click on Messenger. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear the storage. Then delete. Now go back. Scroll down. Now click on Battery. Make it unrestricted. Click on it. Now click on Notification. Enable notification. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger notification not showing on home screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.